So another fun thing to add into the drill is little additions, little extra grabs, little extra pressure in different areas to make your partner react and make them learn. And also to apply techniques that we don't see very often through that. This one in particular will be the Echekete, or the circular thrust. So this one will be circle outside and back. So where we would apply this in our Col de Mama platform is as we're slashing, as I catch this with the blade and cover down, I'm going to cover his hand, but instead of just passing, I'm now going to grab and hook. And I don't want to let it go in order to thrust. So he'll now perform a small Echekete, that simple little roll back across the eyes, and intercepting my blade at the same time. But we can do this back and forth to each other, and I don't want to do it on a set line. You know, maybe at first as I'm learning it, we'll do it every third rotation so I can get used to it. But I want to learn to react to it. So when he finally catches that, when he catches that and hooks it down, I just continue that line, slash. One more time for me. Do back to you.